Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define industries, explain the classification of industries based on raw material, size and ownership, list the factors affecting location of industries, specify the location of iron and steel, cotton textile and information technology industries.
Types of industries. Industry is defined as an economic activity, especially for some useful purpose or the creation of something of value. The term is also used to describe a group of businesses that produce a similar product or service. Secondary sector. Manufacturing and industry sector are known as secondary sector. The secondary sector involves all activities that transform raw materials into products or goods. On the basis of raw material, agro-based industries, the industries which depend on agriculture products as raw material are called agro-based industries. Example, textile industries uses cotton as raw material. Mineral-based industries. The industries that obtain their raw material from minerals are called mineral-based industries. Example, the iron and steel products from iron ore. It is utilized as raw material for the manufacture other products like heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. Marine-based industries are defined as the industries that use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Example, industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil. Forest-based industries are defined as the industries that utilize forest produce as their raw materials. Example, pulp and paper industries, pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings. Small-scale industries are defined as the industries that manufacture products by hand, like cottage and household industry. These industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. For example, basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts industries. Large-scale industries are defined as the industries that produce large volumes of products. The investment of capital is high and technology is superior. For example, production of automobiles and heavy machinery. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into the following: private sector, public sector or state-owned, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are defined as the industries that are owned and worked by the individuals or a group of individuals. For example,
Location of industries. Factors affecting location of industries. The availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market are the factors affecting the location of industries. Development and growth of countries, towns and cities leads to industrialization.
the government often provides subsidies in form of cheaper lands, electricity, infrastructures, lower transportation cost, etc. for the promotion and growth of industries.
Industrial system. An industrial system is made up of inputs, processes, and outputs. Inputs: raw materials, labor, and costs of land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. Processes: activities that convert the raw materials into finished products. Outputs: end of product and income earned from it.
Input, cotton, human labor, factories. Processes, spinning, weaving, dyeing, etc. Output: shirt.
Industrial regions. Industrial region emerges when many other industries set up close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industrial regions prefer setting up in the temperate areas, near seaports and especially near coal fields. Example: Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asia. In India, the industrial regions are Mumbai-Pune cluster, Bangalore-Tamil Nadu region, Hubli region, Ahmedabad-Baroda region, etc. Distribution of industries. Distribution of major industries. The iron and steel industry, the textile industry, and the information technology industry are world's major industries. Iron and steel industries are located in Germany, USA, China, Japan, and Russia. Textile industries are located in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. The Silicon Valley of Central California and Bengaluru region of India are the major hubs of information technology industry. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry comprises various inputs, processes, and outputs, and it is a mineral-based industry. Inputs: raw materials like iron ore, coke and limestone, labor, capital, and other infrastructure. Processes: iron ore is converted into steel by undergoing different stages like smelting, refining. Steel is called the backbone of modern industry because mostly everything is made of iron and steel. Iron and steel industry has developed in India because of raw materials, cheap labor, transport, and market in the country. Major steel producing centers in India are Bhilai, Durgapur, Bampur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro, and is spread over 4 states: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh.
Jamshedpur and Pittsburgh. Jamshedpur. The first iron and steel plant in India was set up in 1907 at Jamshedpur by Jamshedji N. Tata. At that time, it was a small village named Sakchi, near the confluence of the rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai in modern-day Jharkhand. This plant is called Tata Iron and Steel Company, or TISCO. There are many locational factors favorable for the development of this industry, that is raw materials, iron ore, and coal, water. Cheap inland water transport is an added advantage. It was only 32 kilometers away from Kalimati station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It had well connected by means of airways and roadways. The rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai provide water for the industries. It was close to the deposits of iron ore, coal, and manganese. It was near Kolkata, which provided a large market. There are some large integrated steel plants and various mini steel plants in the Indian iron and steel industry. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is an important steel city of the United States of America. Pittsburgh is also known as Iron City. In mid-19th century, processing of iron began in Pittsburgh. Location advantages of Pittsburgh. Coal is available locally. Iron ore comes from Minnesota, which is about 1,500 kilometers away. The famous Great Lakes Waterway provides one of the best routes of shipment between Minnesota and Pittsburgh. Well-developed railway network also provides infrastructure support. The Ohio, the Monongahela, and Allegheny rivers ensures adequate supply of water.
Cotton and its industries. Cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industries are among the oldest industries of the world. India has a tradition of producing best quality of cotton. The muslins of Dhaka, chintzes of Masulipatnam, calicos of Calicut, and gold-wrought cotton of Burhapur, Surat and Vadodara were known worldwide for the quality. In 1854, the first mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai. Ahmedabad is referred as Manchester of India as it is the second largest city to produce cotton after Mumbai because of its flat terrain, easy availability of raw material and land, ideal climate for spinning and weaving. Osaka is called Manchester of Japan. The textile industry developed in Osaka due to warm humid climate, sufficient water supply for mill from river Yodo, location near port, etc. Information technology or IT. Information technology industry deals in the storage, distribution and processing of information. The main factors responsible for the location of these industries are resource availability, cost and infrastructure. The major hubs of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California and Bengaluru in India. Bengaluru is known as Silicon Plateau. IT hubs in metropolitan centers of India are Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Industries refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, ownership, and size. Transport, power, land, market, capital, labor, and raw material affect the location of an industry. World's major industries are iron and steel industry, the textile and the information technology industry. Jamshedpur and Pittsburgh are major hubs of steel and iron industry. Ahmedabad is called Manchester of India. Osaka